Welcome back to TECHMIMIC, where you can simply view, imitate, replicate, and get on with your day. I have recently installed a new version of Synology's SAN Manager, and after that, without me asking for it, the package SAN Manager was installed and running. It turns out that SAN Manager is a tool that monitors and manages storage area network services like iSCSI and Fiber Channel. And this might be useful if you are into block level storage and LUNs and that sort of things. But as I like to keep my Synology clean and free from software I don't need, I tried to remove the SAN Manager package as I would normally remove a package through the Synology Package Center. But it turns out this is not as straightforward as you would think. In this video, I will take you through the process if you find yourself in the same situation. You can safely follow along with the video if for whatever reason you want the SAN Manager package to be installed again in the future, or it turns out you had some dependency on this package you were not aware of. You can simply reinstall it through the Synology Package Center. If you haven't already done so, connect to your Synology and log in. Then double-click the Package Center and from there select Installed to only view the currently installed packages. Here, SAN Manager is visible because it is installed, and when selected, its status is being reported as running. But when you want to remove or deinstall it, there is only the Open button available. So let's make quick work of this. The trick to remove SAN Manager is to run a script directly as root. You could do this by logging into your Synology box via SSH and the terminal, but it can be done very easily straight here from the graphical interface. Minimize or close the Package Center and open the control panel. From there, open the Task Scheduler. Ignore any existing defined tasks, your list will look different anyway. But click Create, Schedule Task, and then User Defined Script. General Settings specify the task name, and I will use uninstall SAN Manager and make sure the selected user is the root user. You can clear the enabled checkbox. On the next tab, called Schedule, select Run on the following date, and check if Do Not Repeat is selected. Then on the final tab, Task Settings, you can specify your email address to receive a detailed report about this task, but I will leave this empty for now. In the big text box under Run command, type the following: /usr//bin/synopkg space uninstall space ScsiTarget. And make sure that there is a capital S and T. If you prefer to simply copy and paste this command is available in the description of this video for your convenience. And what you have typed here is effectively simply launching the Synology Package Manager executable, and it will uninstall the package for you behind the curtains, so to speak. Now click OK, and the Synology will warn you that you have created a script that is running an executable file. To acknowledge this, click the red OK button. And finally, you will now have to specify the password of your Synology account. Once done, click Submit. And that's all you had to do. The uninstall SAN Manager task is now added to the list. If you have made a typo or you want to change something, no worries, just select the task or right-click on the task and select Edit to make your changes. In the video footage, here I have enabled the task with the checkbox, but this is not necessary and you can ignore this. The final step is just to run your task. Right-click it and select Run. And yes, we are sure. Click OK. And just 2 seconds later, nothing appears to have happened, but the package is now gone. Let's double check this by having a look in the Package Center. And if you want, you can save your changes. Let me do that just in case. And now in the Package Center, under the installed applications, the SAN Manager is gone. If you need to reinstall it later on, just find it under all packages like this and click Install. Now the final thing to do is to clean up after yourself and remove the task that is now no longer needed. Right-click, select Delete and confirm. That's it. Hope it helped, and if it did, please like the video and keep it up. Until next time, bye!